Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a location on Google Maps. So let's start. First, open the Google Map. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see Explore option to explore different locations. Commute to see the traffic. See your saved places and contribute to Google Map. Since we are adding a location, we'll tap Contribute. Then Add Place. Now you have to fill up this form. Type in the name of your location. Then you have to add a category. I'll just go to food and drink and select coffee shop. There are two ways to add the location. You can manually enter it or directly update the location on map. I'll just directly update the location. Now I'll just choose a random location. You can also add phone number, website, photos, and many more. Then tap on the arrow icon on top right corner, and your location will be added. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.